Hey guys, welcome to our crazy RV. We're here on Lake Manitoba. It's nice and hot out and we're excited because we're going to show you how to make our favorite fire starter. And we're a big family, so we use a lot of eggs, and these cardboard egg cartons are just perfect. If you're just touring and you're going out for a little tenting trip or something like that, you can make this exact same thing with just like a 6 egg carton, or just 12 like regular, and it'll be just perfect. Now the only thing you need for this is you've got your cardboard egg, and then you fill this with lint from your dryer or your neighbor's dryer or the laundromat or wherever it is that you can find lint from. Empty out all your pockets, because all you're going to do is you're going to take this, you're going to fill it full of all your lovely lint, and then we're going to take wax and we're going to heat this wax up, melt it down, and pour it on top, and this makes excellent fire starter. So we're going to melt this wax down, show you guys how to put this together, and then we're going to make a fire out of it using no paper, because we're crazy like that. All right, let's get this started. Okay, so now that we've got our wax melted, we're going to pour it over top of the lint in our egg carton, and we should be good to go. Got our lint all here, got our wax. Going to try to do this without burning ourselves. One thing to note about this is that it does make a mess underneath, and it is quite hot. So whatever you have it on, just be prepared that that is going to get messy. You either need to, if it's on something you want, put some tin foil underneath it. Right now we're just going to let this cool off. It's going to take quite a bit. We'll probably stick it in the shade somewhere, and then we'll be ready to use it as a fire starter. That's our fire starter all ready to go. Inside here we've got some lint. You see it's not going to fall out. However, this whole thing does get quite waxy, so you want to store it in the plastic bag. But now that we're ready to go, we're going to build our fire for lunch. You just take a corner and rip this corner right off, and we can use this piece as a fire starter. Some of the best fire starter that you can find actually is at the bottom of spruce trees. If you find a spruce tree, it's all green, but at the very bottom, any coniferous tree, you'll see all of these dead branches. Now all of these dead branches, especially if they just snap off super easy, are extremely flammable, and they'll burn super easy. If you can get your hands on some of this is a very good fire starting material as well. Now most people with their fire, they'll just go like this and put one layer on top, and that's not the proper way to do it. If you want this to really take off, you got to put several layers and crisscross them like this. Then that first layer burns through, now burn into the second and third layer. Hey guys, thanks for stopping in. So glad. I hope this was helpful and you use this. If you do use this, or if you have a better fire starter, we want to hear about it. Leave it in the comments below. Give a like, give a subscribe. We'd love to hear from you and appreciate the support on our channel, and we will see you next Sunday.